Web design. Friday, week 11. Okay, this was the first day for interviews, and then we did some group work. We talked today. We did a little look ahead, talking about shopping carts, talked about ads, and then the students at the end worked on their web page work. Cyber Defense Tuesday. Cyber Defense Tuesday. Okay. MH 216, 12:30 p.m. Starting to look at some different items dealing with cybersecurity, and cyber defense. If interested, let me know, or else just show up. We spent a little bit of time today talking about shopping carts, talked about pay methods, how many different, credit card, PayPal, other ways in which you could set up, nowadays not too hard, set up a shopping cart. If, for example, credit cards, somebody has to pay that percentage. Credit card companies don't let you use their cards for free. Now you might say, well, they get money from those people who don't pay. Well, that's true, but for the transaction, typically there's some money exchange transaction. Either it's pushed off to the customer or to the person selling the goods. So you should be familiar then with shopping carts and the ease in which you could set one up in terms of your websites. Or you could do a little more research if you need to set up and get some help. Ads, if you include Facebook ads, right, you can generate money there, or Google ads, or lots of other ones. These were the two we researched in terms of it's not hard to set that up, and you can monitorize your site. When people visit, and there's some, if they click on it, you can make X amount and so forth. And then people pay to have those ads. Right? That's how Facebook and Google, a big way they generate funds. Okay, so we have, let me write it out here. We have a website, webclass.dirksen.education. .com as an example. Anyway, you can log in as WebClass 2019 and you can edit the site, right? You could add some things, and what we want there for sure are we want links to your two websites. We're going to start reviewing those as a class. Okay, more interviews next week. We're looking at the internet next week. We look at issues via the internet. And if you can come up with some of your own, you could bring them to class too. Okay, and I guess that's it for this week. It'll go quick now. We don't have very many class sessions left. We've done a great job with the class this year, so keep it up. And that's it.